This is for women who are tired of just surviving, tired of stretching that $50 a month until payday, tired of just waiting and you feel stuck and nothing is happening to you. Well, this video is for you. How do you become a millionaire or at least make decent amount of money out of nothing? Let me start with a story of a friend of mine. Unfortunately, husband left, lost the job, and she came to me, she's like, March, what will I do? I need to get a job, I need to make money, I need to pay mortgage. She got a job now, which is kudos to her, but it's a lot less than what she was making, right? Because she needed to get it right away. It wasn't enough to cover the mortgage. So what did I do? I went to the house, looked at the property, looked at the rooms, looked at the basement, and set up a plan. Sat with her and said, all right, this is the plan for you. We're gonna house hack. House hacking, meaning you're gonna rent out your rooms. Oh, but I'm not used to having people around. I said, honey, you are in a situation either you won't have a house or give some other people the opportunity to afford a decent living, right? A decent house, a decent room to live in. It's a mindset change. I told her, you know how it is. Most of you do not know my story, but I'm a domestic violence survivor. I'm an overcomer. And it took me a while. I didn't want to leave because I was so afraid. He's going to take everything from me. I cannot afford a house. And lo and behold, when it really, really got bad, I needed to leave. Packed our stuff in trash bag full of clothes, a second-hand car, and my 2 kids, we were sleeping in a car. But where we are now is God's grace and the determination to make it. So going back to that, I told my friend, I had to change my mindset. I got used to living in a nice house, big house, 5-6 bedroom, 3,000, 4,000 square foot home. And now all I can afford is a basement. And I told my friend, at that time, $500 in 2016, that's the only money I can afford to pay. But that got us through the hardest of times, right? My daughter in the bed with me, my son in the couch. And we lived frugally. But with God, I developed a plan. I said, Lord, tell me what to do, where to go. I'll do whatever you say. Just give me the guidance. Be my strength. Be the strength in my bones, the wisdom in my mind, the courage in my heart, and the fire in my spirit. And he did. All you need to do is ask. Truly. Anyway, so this is what I'm telling my friend. Someone gave me the opportunity to live in the basement in one room, and I was able to build from there. So that's what I told my friends. If you rent out your rooms, you're gonna give people the opportunity to afford a place, a decent space that they can live in and start, saving some money and buy their own place. So house hacking is really key. And I told her, what you do, you leave the master bedroom, you go to the smallest room. Master bedroom can rent out for $1,200, and you look at your basement, can rent out for $1,600. That's $2,800. Her mortgage is $2,800. So she's gonna be living for free, right? I told her, no more mortgage, you need to just work for the utilities. But you have an extra room upstairs. Rent it out for $800. So now, you have money to cover the utilities. If you want to do extra work, Uber here, or sell some goods, bake goods, and good thing that she actually found a job now. So by doing that, it's a good strategy, a start to really make it. And I told her, once you get to a place where you're more comfortable, save the money. And so what I did with her was I started an LLC as the property manager of the 3 bedrooms, right? And you open a bank account with that LLC, and the LLC says, the rent says, I have 3 rental that's making $2,800. The bank says, I am receiving $2,800. Next year, she can go to a lender and say, hey, Mr. Lender, I want to buy another house and probably live in a master bedroom this time. So you can rinse and repeat, do and repeat until you have 2, 3, 4, 5 homes. Do that in 10 years' time. Every 2 years you buy that, you'll be a millionaire in 10 years. I think that's a good plan right there. But if you have any questions, do call me, message me, and I'm willing to teach you and guide you, and give you strategies. Every person has a different situation, so your strategy might be different from his strategy or another person's situation. So yeah, just call me. By the way, I'm March. And I call this podcast the Kingdompreneur Life with March. Kingdompreneur because I'm a Christian and I serve the Lord, and that's how I want my business to be led. And I'm also a realtor from Move for Free Realty. So if you buy or sell with me, I actually freaking move you for free. So call me.